Hello, Ben is speaking in English now. Yes, due to the wider audience and the fact that this is a European office, we decided to give this vlog a little upgrade. From now on I will speak in English and we invite our English-speaking customers, partners and friends to join this video vlog. And finally, I will start to talk to experts in a subject that we want to elaborate during this video blog. On the menu today, remote maintenance. It's for sure, remote is the thing during these days. COVID-19 is affecting everything in everyday's life. Whole industries have to rethink their routines. Office workers probably have the least challenges working remote and switching to home office. But what about other work processes and other industries? Remote maintenance has been a topic before, of course, but what I was wondering about is if remote maintenance has gained some traction during these times. This was actually the first question I was asking Adrian Karl, the CTO of Inspection2, a company that has been involved in automating and in automation of industrial inspections since 2012. Hi Adrian, I'm super happy to welcome you in my video blog about remote maintenance. So first of all, tell me, how is COVID-19 affecting your domain? What signs do you see moving forward, and do you think remote maintenance is staying a trend in the next years?
Okay, a number of questions there. In terms of coping with the pandemic, I think internally it has been quite straightforward for us. We're used to remote working. A lot of people have been doing remote working in software development for a long time. So for us, no real impact on the internal structures. Normally without the pandemic, we operate from London, we operate from Rome, and with Softeq, we operate remotely from Belarus. In terms of the impact, we provide software for inspection of industrial assets. A lot of those are mission critical or safety critical. So you can't actually just cancel the work. You have to do this inspection and maintenance to maintain the condition of the asset. So it's more of a delay simply because of the practicalities of doing inspections rather than a cancellation. In terms of remote maintenance, is it here to stay? I think that's a yes. A long time ago we stopped putting people in lighthouses to man them. Security guards a long time ago stopped walking fences and put up fixed cameras and sat in a booth to monitor them all simultaneously. So in terms of is remote maintenance here to stay? Absolutely. We've already seen offshore oil rigs be created as completely unmanned platforms, and for those who know the oil and gas sector, they know that's a complicated architecture and structure to implement and run in an unmanned way. So if we're doing that kind of complexity, remote maintenance and inspection is here to stay.
Absolutely agree with you, Adrian. But probably remote maintenance is not for everybody. Maybe you can share from your experience what kind of company is benefiting most from innovation in remote maintenance and which one will not, and why?
Those that will benefit most, those with a distributed asset base. So you're looking at electrical pylons which have thousands, tens of thousands, in some cases hundreds of thousands of miles of remote assets, very often running through unmanned or low populated areas. Cell sites, cell towers, those are assets which are distributed right across countries. The sheer travelling time for a man to actually go out there and come back, not only in terms of man hours and in terms of cost and fuel, but also in terms of carbon footprint, make those type of assets ideal for remote maintenance, remote inspection. In terms of those that don't fit well with that, I think there you're looking at when you've got low value assets. the software and the approach and the methods and the data processing isn't aimed at the consumer level. It's a B2B offering. And so therefore, if you have low value assets, it will be a harder cost-benefit case to make.
We are talking about remote maintenance already quite a while, but it feels we still have a long way to go to implement this concept on a wide scale. And I'm wondering why. What are the challenges you often see companies struggle with when you enter a new project?
What are the challenges? It's a good question. I think they really fall into two areas. The type of technology we're using is artificial intelligence based. It's computer vision based. It's driven around geopositioning technology. This is all software that has merged into the commercial market in the last 4 or 5 years. And it's new to a lot of people because we're doing things radically different in terms of our approach. It's using artificial intelligence to do the work of a human being. And getting your mindset around that can be difficult. There's no doubt about that. And people are used to computers, Excel, filling up numbers, Salesforce, just tracking things. Where this is now using technology and software to actually assess the condition of assets, actually form opinions, and actually make recommendations of what needs to be done next. And getting your head around that, if you're not used to it and come from a more traditional background, takes time.
Okay, interesting. Maybe you can share with us some cool cases of recent years.
My favorite case, I think, was 2 pieces of work or projects that we did in America. It was for onshore oil and gas. And the reason why we liked it is because it was multifaceted. It didn't just include visual data, which we're very good at. It also included infrared. It also included gas sensing and monitoring. It also included thermal. And it was through the combination of all these different sensors, AI and computer vision, that meant that we can truly automate the inspection, the condition assessment of these remote assets.
Wow, impressive. Thank you for sharing these insights with us, Adrian. We have been working with you now for quite some time already. Maybe you want to share why you like to work with Softeq.
I think the primary driver and reason behind Softeq is one of quality. We are a technology and software company that deliver an automated inspection software application. If there are bugs in that software or there are problems in that software, that reflects directly on us and also directly on our bottom line and our revenues. So we will only work with people that can guarantee us a level of quality and a level of reliability. And Softeq give us that.
All right, Adrian, thank you very much for participating in this, and stay safe. So you see, remote maintenance is a topic. I personally like the Wiz Asset case quite much, as it shows us how you can automate the data processing process today already. Quite impressive. Next video blog, I'm looking forward talking to Chris Kramer, who is also into remote maintenance. With an out-of-the-box sensor solution for the molding domain. His system is quite different from what we have seen today. I have already learned that the world of remote maintenance must be as customized as the world of factories already is. And this is something where Softeq is pretty good at. Alright, I hope this video blog was as insightful for you as it was for me. Please share your feedback. Servus, goodbye and Poka.